Hi, Hugh Lopdell here from Oak Park Chartered Accountants with a business update for pharmacists and any other similar businesses. I'm bringing this to you from Denarau Island in Nandi, and a couple of days ago my wife and I checked in and something happened at the check-in that inspired me in regard to service, and I wanted to bring that to you. I hope it's helpful. We checked in very early, 6 a.m. in the morning, and the guy said to us, "Have you been here before?" And I said, "Yeah, a couple of times." He said, "Great. Well, you can have a complimentary breakfast, and it opens at 6:30. And I noticed there was a lady hovering around. I didn't take much notice otherwise. 6:30 we came into the breakfast area, and that same lady wandered over to us and said, "Welcome back." And boy, did that make us feel special. It made us feel like the only people here, although there's probably a couple of hundred people on holiday at the hotel. The thing was that she made us feel special, and that's very hard to do in business when you've got a whole lot of customers. For those pharmacists who watched my video earlier in the year where I gave 5 hints for how to combat discounter competition, that was one of them. Remember people's names, make them feel special. Today I just want to bring you 3 hints as to how you can go about implementing that kind of thing in your pharmacy or practice. Okay, the first thing is leadership. Now, as a small business owner, a pharmacy owner, you may not feel like a leader, and if your business is not going somewhere different, you're probably not really a leader. You're a manager, and that's fine. But if you want to take your business from here and take it up to there, guess what? You're a leader, and you need to know how to lead. The first thing that I want to comment on is you need to get it. Wherever you're wanting to take your business, in this case we're talking about implementing a culture of making your business customers feel special, you need to get it. If you can get it, you can inspire people to get it. So that's the first thing. The second thing is you need to lead by doing. If you lead by saying only, people might not follow you, but if you lead by doing, they will follow you. So that's the second thing. The next thing is recruitment. Trying to do special things with the wrong people is going to be really hard and might be impossible. You need the right kind of people. These are the 2 things I think of in terms of having the right people for a high level of customer service. One is they need to be teachable. It's not helpful if they've got a chip on their shoulder or they don't like to change. They need to be teachable. The second thing is they need to be inspirable. If you've got people that respond well to a leader who takes them somewhere better, you're away. They will follow you anywhere, and they'll be very loyal. So that's the second thing, is recruit the right people. Thirdly and lastly, systems. It is very hard, I think it might be impossible, if you have a business with more than just you in it, to achieve consistently high levels of performance without systems. I'll give you an example. In our business we try and do this. We try and make our customers feel very special. We have, it's a little easier for us because we sit at our desks as accountants and everyone's got a computer and a database, and next to every client we have little client notes. So if something happens with our clients, often personally, we put it in the client notes, we email everyone around, everyone's got to have a read of it and try and remember it. So that might be a client becomes a grandparent for the first time, or they go on the holiday of their dreams, or they have an operation, something bad, or whatever, something personal. We try and remember it, so that when we see them the next time, without having to be coached or reminded, we can say, "Hey, good to see you, how was your holiday?" And it makes them feel special. We hope it does. I'm sure it does. But it only happens through systems. And systems only happen when people follow them. Not some of the time, all of the time. Okay, there you go. Hugh Lopdell from Oak Park Chartered Accountants. That's all for now. I hope it was helpful. Bye.